Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the AJW. This is their part number U582, 1.5 gallon capacity sanitary napkin disposal, is what it is. It's a heavy unit. It weighs 8 pounds, basically, and that's just a lot for stainless sheet metal, but it's really indicative of the quality of AJW material, in my opinion. And let's go over it now. So the U582, 1.5 gallon capacity, spring-loaded continuous hinge up at the top. Okay, you obviously have a key lock that's there, and of course with it is going to be a single key. This is their HL250 key. You can buy those separately as well. There's a link below this video to not only the HL250 but the L2 lock in case you needed to at some point replace the lock as well. Okay, just simply comes out. Lock construction that's there. Key can be removed only in the locked position. And of course the balance of the unit, spring-loaded lid, that full continuous hinge you can see on the top there. Now, if in case it's not evident, this white cover that you see is just the peel-away protective film that's covering the stainless steel that's on there. Okay. Brushed finish. Now let's put the container back. Lock the unit. Remove the key. That's just not closing because I peeled away some of that film that's on there. Okay, there we go. Now, let's go over the technical information regarding it. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the document called Tech Sheet, and that's very important because it will give us all of the important properties about the item. First, dimensionally, let's go over that now. They have it, AJW does, at 11-inch wide. That is indeed the case. They have it at 4-inch deep. That's correct as well. Then they have the height at 15.25. Yeah, I'd say that'd be pretty accurate. It looks like it was closer to 15-inch. Let's test that here. 15 3/16, so it's spot on. Also, what's included, you see those keyhole slots on the back. There are 4 screws that are also included, and they're here. Okay. Now, let's go over the tech sheet. 22 gauge stainless steel is the construction of the unit with a number 4 satin finish. The push panel, 22 gauge again. Spring loaded. There's a flat spring that's in there. Waist, again 22 gauge. Key tumbler lock. Hinge, full length heavy duty stainless steel. Piano style hinge, and everything on here is stainless. There's nothing that's not stainless on this unit. Okay. Stainless gets a little bit magnetic when it's been machined or welded, and that is the case. That hinge, while it's stainless, has been worked, so it picks up some magnetic properties. The size we've gone over, the capacity again, 1.5 gallons. Optional items, the waxed disposable liners. Those can be purchased below this video as well. Options, PW, plastic rigid waste insert. I strongly urge that be purchased because a bag itself may be prone to leaking. That would be a very bad scenario, obviously. That rigid plastic waste container that you can use, the bag goes into it, then all of that goes into this container. This container is not intended for, you know, it's not watertight, or liquid tight, I should say. International graphic symbol can also be done on this sort of unit. Okay. Now, importantly to know, installation. Recommended mounting height is 33 inch from the floor to the top of the unit, and that would give you compliance with ADA regulations for installation of a sanitary napkin disposal. And that completes the tech sheet. Finally, there is a link below this video to the product brochure, which is very handy because it will allow you to review not only all of the feminine hygiene accessories from AJW, but it will give you the options. For instance, what I mean is the U582, that's surface mounted. Do you need this recessed? You're going to stick it partially into the wall. That's a U581. Partition mounted, if you're going between two partition stalls, that's a U580. So it will give you those other options along with a couple of standard dispensers that are used as well. If you have any questions on the U581, U582, or any other AJW product, please feel free to reach out to us. In conclusion, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the AJW products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Before you make any purchase, large or small, give AJW a look. I think that you will be very pleased with the confluence of quality, price, and customer service in terms of, well, AJW as a manufacturer supporting their product, but prompt, reliable shipping lead times. All of these things come together to give you an excellent experience. Any questions on the AJW U582, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.